What are we doing?
Making a vanity.
Making a vanity for what?
Valentina.
Valentina's room?
Yeah.
Whoa, here we go. Valentina, is this for your room?
Alright, we gotta be careful, right? This makes a mess, alright? So put that up against the wall. We gotta set up all the pieces, okay, Dom? First, you gotta find the instructions. Here, instructions. Hold on, okay?
Oh, and the
All
screws.
the hardware. Here's all the hardware. Alright, Dom. On the bottom anywhere?
6.
Very good.
Maybe 9.
That's a 6. See how it has a line underneath it?
Yeah.
That tells you which way to look at it. So see how the line
Yeah,
is
that's
underneath it? That means it's a
6.
very good. Because of the line underneath.
Go ahead, count again, Valentina.
1, 2, 3.
Go, V, go. 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Good job.
12.
Alright, is this
all right.
number 2? Thumb? See? Where's screw A?
Oh,
Thumb.
Valentina, that wasn't nice.
Say sorry now. Say sorry. Say sorry. Give him a kiss on the head. Say I'm sorry. You don't do that. His head's not.
Why are you crying?
Me.
No.
He didn't hit you. You hit him. Oh, he took it away from you? Because you hit Dominic.
Keep the pressure towards the screw, okay? Hey, say please. Say I promise I'm not going to hit Dominic. Now you can hit the box.
Okay.
Say yes up. Okay, now. No.
That was a bit extreme.
Bye-bye. You can't throw. You can't hit anybody. Are you sorry? Sorry? Say I'm sorry, Daddy. Say, can you do magic? Big toe. Watch. See the big toe? You see it? Touch your big toe. Touch your big toe. Say, give me back my peg. Now wiggle your big toe. Wiggle it. Oh. Magician.
Whoa, it came from your toes? How did you do that? Was that magic? Wow. I can't hit anybody with the pegs, right? Okay. Only hit the box. Good job.
Womp womp.
Now we have to take them out.
Yep. Womp womp.
How much of it is messed up?
This is supposed to be on that side.
What's supposed to be on?
Womp womp.
So pretty much the whole thing is wrong? Oh, you are never wrong. That's hilarious.
Wrong.
That's hilarious. I'm glad we filmed it for all the world to see.
pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is
See you. Hello.
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 How you doing?
How you doing?
Valentina picked your pajamas. Pull your shirt out of your pajamas. You look like Steve Urkel. Pull it. Pull it.
my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever yours.
Hey, V, we got a surprise for you. You want to know what it is?
What?
We got you a big girl room.
Big girl bedroom.
Want to see it?
Want to go see it?
Come on, let's go see.
You ready?
Hey, hold on. Hold on.
Go ahead. Phoebe, is this your room?
You love it? You love it?
Pretty, huh?
Look at your dress on. And your purses. Whoa! Hey, and look, you're on TV. Rug. Feel your new rug. Right here. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Give me a kiss. Oh, give me a kiss.
Say thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, I love you. You're welcome.
Go jump in your bed. I want to see you jump in your bed. Come on. 1, 2,
3, go.
3. Jump in your bed.
Big girl day.
Yay.
Yay.
Yay. You want to sleep? You want to sleep in there?
Yes, just like mommy, you have your own. Go ahead, open up your makeup.
Oh my
Go
God.
ahead, do your blush. Oh, so beautiful.
Oopsie.
Oopsie, should I have your lipstick on?
Okay.
Okay. Wow. Go ahead, look at that.
Careful.
I'll be careful.
Be careful. Mommy. Hand.
Hi, V. You dancing? Let me see your ballerina spin.